y'all, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. It's gonna be a really quick video because it's only gonna be in my eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna come back, boom, a transformation, a whole new body. So I'm gonna start off with this and get into my nails, y'all. Isn't it like super cute? Like, I've already done my eyebrows. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, I'm gonna link a video here, here, or here, yeah. I'm gonna link a video so you can just click, and then it's gonna have a detailed video on how I do my eyebrows, because I do it the same every single time I do my look. So this is actually new. This is my first time using this palette. This is the On the Run Urban Decay palette. Yeah. So let's get started. What I'm gonna use is called Breakdown. That's the shade I'm gonna use. And it looks like that. So I'm just gonna take a blending brush and get it together. So basically this looks white. Well, at least on my skin complexion. But it also has a shimmer as well. A slight shimmer, not too much. Because again, I'm gonna do an eyeliner look with 2 different shades. Purple and pink on this eye. Need to get used to using these products, so I might as well try myself. I'm going to take my All Night Urban Decay Makeup Setting Spray Long Lasting, and this is matte. This is pretty much the only setting spray that I use because I love a matte finish. I hate, I'm not a big fan of dewy because I already have oily skin. So if I have oily skin plus a dewy look, I feel like I'm gonna look like fried chicken. I don't like that. I'm gonna do purple first. So this is the angled brush that I'm gonna use. I'm probably gonna use another one. It's tripping. So what I do, I spray a little bit in there. It gets wet. I'm gonna start off with the angled brush. And with this product, you have to work quick. That's what I've noticed. Okay. And that's it for this side. Oh, I actually want to continue just doing this. But boom. Okay. That's what the first line looks like. Ooh. I'm so smart. You know why? I always buy 2 of every product. 1 for my makeup, for my clients, and 1 for myself. But I think I bought like 3 of the same type of brush from Morphe on accident. No, actually it was $4. That's what it was. I went there and they were having an awesome sale. I'm hoping you guys can see. I'm gonna zoom in. so I don't want to mess up, but everybody's lid is different. You have to follow the shape of your own personal lid. And you're gonna see once I sharpen it up. Okay. So I'll be back once I do my other side. Boom. Yeah. So I decided, oh, please ignore this heart. I was trying to figure out if I could actually do like little hearts. Ignore. I am going to put some glitter, some stones. And then I'm gonna fill it in. All right, I need some more lash glue. But use a little bit at a time, because like I said, this glue dries up extremely quick. All right, y'all, so I decided to do it like this instead of having the 3 dots at the top. I FaceTimed my sis and my sis said this looks better, so I'm just gonna do that, and then I'll do like the corner. So boom, I already did my foundation, contour, yeah, you know the vibes. Forgot to put on my lashes. So y'all know better than sex. Mascara, I already put enough on, but this makes my lashes look so good. And I can't wait to put it on my bottom lash. Bada-ding, bada-doom, bada-doom. Should I do a rosy cheek or? I'm gonna do this one. Creme brulee is usually my favorite anyway. But I'm gonna show y'all. Creme brulee, I got this from Morphe. And remember, a little goes a long way. I usually use my flat brush when I apply it. And I do it right on top, like right. You see my contour is here. I soften it up with the blush. And then I blend it. Look how beautiful this color is on my skin, y'all. It's crazy. And do the same for this side. This is a flat brush, like a flat brush. Need some more. But I always leave right here still blank with no product because I just like the way it looks after my setting spray sets it. And I have really, really high cheekbones, so I kind of go brazy on the blush personally. Actually, I really haven't used a blush in a very long time because I'm used to just using the cream one. I'm gonna go on top of that with this. This is my Wrapped Candy Extra Dimension blush from MAC. So I just want to be extra rosy today. I'm just gonna do a touch of that. I'm gonna use, this is like my favorite highlighter now. It's by MAC, it's called Dazzled highlighter. Extremely pigmented and I love it. But before I use this, you all know I use my Glow With It, my natural highlighter, before I even touch my face with the other highlighter, just to, oh man, this is how you know it's my favorite. They don't make this anymore, so I use every little bit. I'm not throwing this away. So basically I just use the highlighter to soften where I had my setting powder. Like, so like instead of it having like, instead of my face having a harsh white cakey look, I just add a little bit of this and it calms that down. It calms the white down. So now I feel like this looks a lot better. And I'm gonna go in with my Dazzled highlighter. Super pigmented. So I just do one, that was only one dab. Then I switched to a thinner feathered brush. And then I just focus on where I want to be super highlighted. I'm also gonna put some right in my eyebrow bone. Okay, and then I'll probably do this lip pencil is Nightingale Lip Pencil by MAC. I'm just gonna sharpen it. This is Really Me, and then I'm gonna use Nightingale. And I don't overline my lips. My top lip is pretty small. This is crazy. I'm gonna do black eyeliner first. This is actually Nars Longwear eyeliner. Highly recommended. Super, super, super pigmented. It's beautiful on. And I'll use this shade right here. I'm gonna take this brush. Okay, so boom, gotta open my eyes. Y'all know I have real small eyes now, so You gotta make them pop. But I usually do my mascara after I put my setting spray, because sometimes I blink too hard and then you see like the mascara at the bottom. All right. Spray my face to set it, because right now it's not set at all. Like, this setting spray is amazing. It's like ridiculous. Okay, so now I'm going to just put a little bit more duo glue. I need to actually buy some more. Alexa, put duo lash glue on my shopping list.